Today I'll be teaching you how to make fried egusi that is the best. And if you don't really like egusi, then this is a recipe you have to try out. Come on guys, let's do it together.
Hey, this is Dekas and you're welcome to my channel. Nigerian food recipes are very easy to prepare, just that you have to pay attention. In a dried pan, heat up oil, add onions, then mix your melon seed egusi very well, not runny dough, not too light or heavy, just as seen on the screen. Then add it to this already hot oil and fry. Continue to fry. While frying, make sure you're turning it in the pot so that it doesn't get burnt. Fry till it's dried like seen on the screen. When you're through with frying, you add in your already cooked meat with the meat broth. I used beef. You could use any meat of your choice. And you also add in your well-washed stockfish and also well-washed dried fish with hot water. I mainly use hot water to wash my stockfish and fish. Then you add in your Scotch bonnet peppers, crayfish and local seasoning. I blended everything together roughly. Then I also added my well-washed parboiled pomo, that is the cow skin, some seasoning cubes, salt to taste. Add more water, not too much, so that your egusi doesn't get watery. Then you mix very well and then cover up your pot and cook some more. Allow all these ingredients to get cooked and start getting your soup that flavor we are looking for. Allow our soup to cook for like 10 to 15 minutes more. Then we know everything is all cooked. We test for salt to taste and make sure everything is in the right proportion. Then we open up and add in our vegetables. I'm using ugu to cook my egusi soup. You can use bitter leaf. You can even use spinach. If you don't see all those vegetables there, you can use any vegetable of your choice. You can even use oha leaves, but I prefer putting my ugu, that is the pumpkin leaves, in my soup. And you just stir for like a minute. Don't overcook your leaves, okay? You just stir for like a minute and your soup is so ready to be enjoyed with fufu or any swallow of your choice, pounded yam, anything you want to enjoy it for. So that is that about egusi soup. Very simple to prepare. Thank you for engaging on my video. I really appreciate. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.